I wanted to do a video on my ThredUp update. I sent in some ThredUp items the other day, or about a month ago, and I got them back, and I had a lot of results that I wanted to share, but my daughter did not want to take her nap, so since she's not going to go down anytime soon, I wanted to do one regarding toddler deals and things that I find online and in person that really save a lot of money, especially if you have a girl and you want to dress her cute, but you know she's going to grow out of these things in like a month. So I have pretty much mastered how to dress my toddler for as least amount of money possible while still keeping her items fresh and updated. Which stores are better to shop online versus in person? Because sometimes you get better deals if you actually go into the store, and sometimes you get better deals online. So I'll let you guys know which stores give you the better deals online versus in person. Okay, so let's get the first item out. So first let's talk about Nordstrom Rack. So at Nordstrom Rack, you get the better deals. In my opinion, you get the better deals online. So whenever there's like a big holiday, let's say 4th of July, or, hi honey, 4th of July, or like Memorial Day, they're going to give you 25% off of the clearance. So everything that you see is already, again, been marked down as clearance, but they're going to give you an additional 25% off. Okay, so I got these sweatpants on NordstromRack.com for $5. These are O'Neill brand, and they retail for $36. Yeah, so they were $5. These were on the toddler section of the Nordstrom Rack clearance. So these are going to be great. I always size up when I get these because usually they're going to be the last season. So these are going to be perfect for her in the fall. So I got, these are 3Ts. So this is a onesie sleeper that I got for her on Nordstrom Rack online as well. This was also $5, and it's a Sleep Mini onesie zip down, and I love this because it doesn't have the footies. Even though it's a onesie, it has her feet can come out so she won't slip. She doesn't really like the ones with the footies. So I got this one for her in a size 4. So there'll be plenty of room for her to grow into this. And then this one is like for the baby gyms, the My Gyms. It's like a little leotards. So this was $5 as well, and this is Joe Fresh baby leotard for the gym. And this I got in a 3T. I want to take her to do that pretty soon so she can burn out her energy. This was also on Nordstrom Rack. I don't know what the original retail for this is, but it's probably around in the 30s. So for shoes, I get a lot of her shoes on the Target.com website because I usually stock up when they're doing the buy one, get one 50% off. So these she hasn't worn yet, but I love getting her the sneakers that have the Velcro straps and that have like a cute little design on them and something with a good tread because she loves to run around outside. And these are $9.99, so I feel like you can't go wrong. So Target and Nordstrom Rack are 2 great sites to look for online. I've been to Nordstrom Rack in person, and the deals just aren't as good. They don't really have a lot of the clearance items, and if they do, you know, they're picked over. So when you go online, you can pick the exact size that you need. It's just so much better, I feel like, to find the shoe sizes online versus searching for them. So moving on to going to stores in person. So TJ Maxx, I feel like every time I go in person, I get an amazing deal on clothing for her. So at TJ Maxx, I like to wait until things get on the red tag or yellow tag until I purchase. So these 2 dresses were red tagged, and they were for $10. So I got her the 3T. and they're super soft. Julian's Closet, made in India, $5 each dress. Perfect for summer. And these look a little big, so I don't mind putting them in the dryer. So these I found at Ross, and Ross also has great deals when you go in person. Even if they're not on clearance, I feel like Ross's items don't even need a clearance tag. They're pretty much at the very, best price that you can probably find anywhere. So these two dresses I got for $9.99. So again, it's going to be $5 each dress. And I think these are just so cute with the little cap sleeves. She loves these style of dresses. They even have little pockets too. So I always go into Ross when Ross or TJ Maxx in person to find cute deals like this for her. Now my last find was on Poshmark, and I'm a Poshmark seller, so I kind of know how to filter out prices and new items only to kind of find, the best deals for her. So these little ballerina slippers I got for $7. I got them big because she's not ready. I don't think she has the patience yet to take a little ballet class. I know they even have toddler ones, but I'm going to wait a little bit on that. So I sized up on these, and they're real leather. They're brand new, never been worn. So I thought these were a great find. Usually ballet slippers go in the $20 range. So I know I saved a lot of money on these. So those are the items, and that's pretty much where I find her clothing. I don't really like to go in and pay full price, even for myself, but especially for her, because they're going to last 1 month or 2 months at the very most. So yeah, I hope you guys found some good tips on here on how to get some good deals for your little one and to still keep them cute and fashionable at the same time. Alright, so I'm going to try to get around to my thread up video, which takes her nap next time. But thanks for watching.